Welcome! Today we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to create a story on Facebook completely updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're sharing a special moment, a short clip, or just want to connect with friends in a fun way, this step-by-step tutorial will have you posting in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Right at the top of your newsfeed, you'll see a row of circles. Those are your friends' stories. Tap on the one that says Create Story. This is your starting point. Next, you'll need to choose a photo or video. You can either pick something from your phone's gallery or record a brand new one on the spot using your camera. If you're feeling creative, try mixing both. Tap the option that fits what you want to post and get ready to customize. Once your photo or video is selected, the fun part begins: editing. Facebook gives you a lot of tools to make your story stand out. Add text overlays to say something meaningful or funny. Use stickers to bring a playful vibe. Experiment with filters and effects to give your content a unique look. You can resize, move things around, or even doodle with the drawing tool until it feels just right. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Share to Story. Your post will instantly appear at the top of your friends' feeds, live for 24 hours before it disappears. You can also adjust your privacy settings right there to control who can view it: everyone, just your friends, or a custom audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a story on Facebook. It's such a simple but powerful way to keep your friends updated on what's happening in your world. So, open your app, follow these steps, and start sharing those special moments today.